The 2020 United Nations Security Council election will be held on 17 June 2020 during the 74th session of the United Nations General Assembly, held at United Nations headquarters in New York City. The elections are for 5 non-permanent seats on the UN Security Council for 2-year mandates commencing on 1 January 2021. In accordance with the Security Council's rotation rules, whereby the 10 non-permanent UNSC seats rotate among the various regional blocs into which UN member states traditionally divide themselves for voting and representation purposes, the 5 available seats are allocated as follows. The 5 members will serve on the Security Council for the 2021-22 period. COVID-19 presented new difficulties to the traditional electoral process. Ambassadors submitted their ballots in the UN General Assembly Hall at staggered pre-arranged time slots while wearing masks. 4 of the 5 vacant Security Council seats were filled during the first round of voting. Djibouti and Kenya of the African Group face a second round of voting on June 18. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.